Alright, what did I catch you doing here? Stripping the paint off of this hump. And just taking a wire brush to it. That paint comes off pretty easy. Yeah, you gotta want that black stuff off of there. Nice clean metal we can weld to, huh? Yeah, definitely. Alright, well, we started this project and I forgot that we filmed at Clark's place. So we're going to catch up to what we've done here. So this is the video showing putting in a 4-speed kickout hump. Because you got a new floor in, you got to put the hump back. And this was from AMD. I think they're like 179, 189. I just heard humpback. I thought whales. No whales. So you put a little bit of stripper on it and it comes right off. Or mostly. And we're running all the stripper out into our recycle bucket. Yeah, outside. We don't want that in here. It's like the paint's clogged your little slop sink. Yeah, it'll. That sticker wasn't going to come off of there. Oh yeah. You were right. Alright, so this video we're going to take, and once he's got all that cleaned up, dried, we've started already today and cut out the hump. And what I did on mine is, this is the frame rail underneath. I don't know if you can see that. You'll see, he'll tuck you down there. You can see the frame rail underneath, hopefully. And what I did with mine was just, that is gonna sit along this channel here, and then I just folded this up and welded all of this to the inside. So I'll show you how mine is finished out. But we've already got ground off everything along here where all that's gonna lay, and it lays in there like perfectly. And these are just where the console mounts go. So we're gonna weld those in today too. But mine, we did I did all this before I think we started filming anything on Clark's place. So that's how I cut my floor out, is I just cut it right along that frame rail. Or support, I don't know what that's called. In any event, the rail here, I cut along that, and then cut the floor, and then if you see, I've just kind of folded that up underneath, and then this floor, I just kind of wrapped an inch around, and then I just welded all of that. And then on the inside, you can see the trace of the weld. I just put a flange on the inside because my bottom of my hump was rusted out. It's factory. But I wanted good metal, and so I put little stitch pieces of metal in there. But I think mine turned out pretty nice. It does have a little bit of a shelf here, but I think from the factory, if I look at pictures of my old one, this floor just came out flush, and then this came down and met, and then this floor was the floor kind of stuck out, and then that came down and met it, and then there was a shelf all along here too. I didn't like that. I thought, as sandy as it is in Florida, I'm gonna get all kinds of crap and catch all, and I think that is what that little shelf will do. But I'm not gonna mess with any of that, making that super nice, because this needed to sit back there. And it might need some changes once We get shifter in there, boot, shift linkage down in here. Something may need to change. This might need to get notched or something like that. I don't know. That's all the growing pains once I mock up everything or start to assemble stuff. But I think it's pretty good like this, because this, I think, was how it looked from the factory. So we'll see once we get some more going here. Stick around.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to weld all these brackets in.
I was thinking do this first.
Oh, we can do that first.
Because this one hangs over
yeah,
it.
that's fine.
Let's just get that.
Where'd you put it?
I might have laid it over there.
I'll get it. Yeah.
So yeah, this piece here kind of straddles this. So I want to get all this welded in solid.
And this is a new AMD floor, and this is AMD. And I'm really impressed on, I mean, that like,
This is
it's like a glove. Fits
That's
perfect.
where it goes. It's notched here for this, and then kind of
You want me to
notched
clamp
there.
that?
So, I think if we
Or
just
just hold
hold
it?
it and hit it.
Let me get a glove on.
What gauge did you set it for?
It's
think it needs
for
to be-
20.
Hand me the gauge there. I think this is 18. Pretty sure all this is 18.
I think it is too.
So 15, 16, 17, 18 gauge.
Yeah, you got to get a good flat spot.
Yeah, this is showing 16. I think it is. I think it's 18. Put it on 18. So I like them that. You like them that.
Yep.
So
First tack. Oh, you didn't get it. Well, you got it a little.
barely missed.
Yeah. I'd go up here.
Yeah, they say to go along, but this steel isn't going to move at all.
Uh-huh.
I mean, if it was thin steel, you could go and
Right.
tack to make sure everything's good. But for this, nothing's moving. Let me just put a tack here. There we go.
Yeah. You got a flashlight? Yep.
I really can't see the very edge because it's all shiny. I think it's right there, but I want to make sure I get it good and welded in there. I'm gonna go down here and put one. That's in there. Why don't you smack that with a hammer? Just to smack it one time. Or bring a sledge. It's just a 16th off. I mean, it's just tweaked up a little bit, so just.
Can you go and tap the other side of it, and then it'll probably bend.
Huh?
There. Okay. Yeah. Now it'll tap down. There we go.
Yeah. Pretty flush, pretty flush.
That's flush.
Maybe just keep a little. How would I just do it here? Hold on. Keep a little pressure in.
And we could have gotten some big clamps out and clamped it, but
Let's see. Tight, but smack this right here.
here, I can't see it.
fine.
Yep.
I'm liking that. Let me put one here and one here.
I'll get up in there and the light for you.
Load your light.
Okay.
Go here.
Little gap there. Yeah, I can't get down to that little hole.
It'll be on there. Let me put one here. So now she's tacked. Tack, 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 tackaroo. And I guess we will, you want to go ahead and stitch it all in from the top? That way it's got a solid metal.
Yeah.
It's part of this completely, and then we can fold under the bottom,
Yeah.
trim, and then weld on the bottom side too. And then we'll have a bead weld all around where that flips up.
Yep.
If you like the way mine is.
Oh yeah, I like
I don't
the way
know
it
if
is.
that's the way it's supposed to be done.
'Cause I don't want a shelf in there.
Let's go ahead and we'll throw it on time lapse and we'll just zip around.
Here's
the
the
whole thing.
There's the shelf that it creates when you
Oh yeah.
cut it smaller than the hole. And we could have trimmed that exact, but you can pound that up and it makes a nice rounded edge in there.
Yeah, I thought a nice barrier for everything from getting in.
Yep.
So we'll throw it on time lapse. I'll zip all this in.
Okay. Yeah, that first one's just level.
Oh, did you record over there? See what it looked like?
Nope.
Okay. If you like where that is.
I'm looking at the firewall. That looks more level.
Right about there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I barely caught it.
Yep.
Probably turn up the heat just a smidge.
Okay. Much better.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. This sounds pretty solid everywhere.
Yeah, it does.
I'm just gonna put a zip here, and a zip here.
Yep.
All it does is hold the console.
I know it. fan is taking all the smoke out of here.
I see, yeah, it's nice. Whoa. You think that's fine? You may put one across the top?
Yeah, right in the middle. Thought I smelled something rubbery burning.
Yeah, it had some gunk on it. Alright.
Next one. I just go to where it looks level.
Well, you have it here.
Yep. Looks like it needs to come around a little more.
So why don't I tack it at the bottom?
Yeah, then we'll
close to this, I think is what I did. Then I just kind of bent it.
Okay.
Just hold it right there.
I got it.
Let me tack the base down. Coming, yep, there you go. That be on there.
Yep.
Now, I think, how's that look level wise? Looks pretty good. Yeah.
Okay.
How about I tack here, then we smack that down.
Okay. You might have to tack the other side too.
Move your hand. I'll do this.
You sure? Okay. Yeah, move it forward a little. There you go. And tack the other side so it'll pivot.
All right.
I'll let that cool just a second.
Yep.
And I just put a little strip here on the bottom and then.
Yeah, that's all you want? Okay.
Yeah, that'll be good. Like you say, it's just a console.
Yep. That ain't coming out of there. You can pick the whole car up with that.
Yeah, probably. Oh, did you want to put any on the sides of that
I
one?
put a little strip on both sides. Yeah.
Not very much.
Like that.
Cool.
Like that.
And the last one.
Gonna do it the same way.
Yeah. That's probably good right there. Maybe back just a little further. Yeah, there we go. All right.
Well, we could put it a little tighter in.
Okay.
Go look at mine and see. I think I tucked mine in tight to the tunnel, and then I squeezed it. I mean, I don't know. It's probably perfect like that.
Yeah, I'll just yeah.
Just want to tack it.
That'll work.
You like it right there?
Yeah.
Move the light so I can see the line. No, I really can't see it. Okay. That look okay to you?
Yeah.
Okay. See if you like that.
Yeah.
You may tack it there.
Yep.
Okay. You want to? Any adjustments?
What does it look like to you, as far as in
Looks like
line?
it's in the square. Looks like it's level too. So
Okay.
I'm good with it.
All right.
Stitch her in. Let me put another one and we'll smack this down just in case.
Okay.
Sounds pretty solid.
Yeah. Looks good.
Could do a little more here. A little more there. And a little more here. Brother.
And that's how console brackets and the 4-speed hump
Well, do you
is
want to
done.
show your little map and the tape measure?
Here's the map. The map, I measured his, it was factory. The firewall,
So we got 12 inches to the center of that one.
12 inches to the center of that one, which you can see it is.
And then you got 26 and a half.
26 and a half to the center of that one. And then 43 and a half.
Well, we're a little longer. Or 44. Well, 43 and a half is just right about there.
Yeah, okay, that'll work.
44 is about the center.
Yeah, okay.
But that's what these holes are for.
I know it.
I mean, you can adjust, put a nut and bolt underneath for the console.
But that's what I measured off of his.
So 4-speed hump
In.
top is in, and we'll grind all this, clean it up later.
Oh yeah, it'll all get clean. And I recommend having, we got this fan from Milwaukee, and it kept the smoke out of here. We were about suffocating there for a minute.
I don't think you even filmed the fan, you're filming the front corner.
No, I know it. I'm just.
Look in the camera, so can you see?
Oh yeah, I can see it. So I'm gonna take this back out here. So we're done with that.
All right, the plan is
We're going to cut, just little cuts in here so we can tap that down.
up to the weld. Oh, see, there's where that blew through. It looks kind of
Yeah.
like this was a little bit rusty or something.
Yeah, I can see it. But then cut here, and we're gonna fold that up and weld. This one we're gonna trim it back just a little bit more with this. And that way we won't have this shelf that I'm sure that's the way the factory ones
You
were.
can see from mine that I said that would be a catch-all. It all is kind of a lip, but this is the way the factory one was. Is when I replaced my floor in my car over there, this was how it was. I think it was a little bit farther back, that it wasn't quite an inch hangover, but we left that intentionally thinking that we would fold all this up and then weld and make it a hermetic seal.
Right. So, are you
We're
gonna
gonna time lapse it up. Time lapse, we're gonna cut all this out, then nick the things like Pop said, and then we'll weld. We'll do all that on time lapse.
Okay.